friend.
Because of these, like,
And it's I'm covered in moles, so like moles don't particularly scare me, but it's always scary when it's on the side of me that's like on the side where cars, because I ride shotgun. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on that, friend. So I keep ending it back down at the bottom of the shirt. All right, hey, hi. We're gonna be doing like clean girl look. Yeah, it's gonna be super simple, super easy. We're gonna have a time. It's gonna be very light. So let's get into it. Like, I don't know, man. I take this very seriously. I take having heart-shaped items in my home very seriously. So, like, I was looking at a video when I was editing, because I don't just spend time staring at myself, and I was like, ooh, what lip combo is this? And just like, looks so good. Ooh, that like, all that exercise really plumped up my mouth hole. We're gonna put my bottom lashes on first, because that's part of it, is I need that like spider web. Very clean, girl. This is in fact my 13th reason. Cool. Where's my lash tweezers? I just like picked this shirt to wear and was like, yeah, we're doing clean girl makeup today. I don't even know what I'm gonna do about me just getting brown mascara all over the side of my face. I just assume throw myself into a ditch, but you know, that might be a bit dramatic. I like the little puffy lip because I feel like I don't immediately need to put a gloss on it for my lips not to look like I just like escaped the Sahara, for it to look really nice. This is the kind of makeup I do, and like my parents are like, you're so pretty. You're really good at that. Yeah, bitch. Like, I dropped out of the sky. The colorful cut creases, like, a lot of people can do cut creases. A lot of people can do, you know, natural everyday makeup. But not everyone can do both. I can barely do a cut crease anymore. Like, let's not get it twisted. I am not Taj. But I certainly know my way around brown eyeshadow. God damn it. If you don't stick, Bobby John. Yeah. Hello? I'm trying to figure out if my dad has actually noticed that I've shaved off most of my eyebrows, or if he's just pretending not to see it. Because when I first started shaving off the entire tail end of my brows, my dad didn't notice for like 3 months. And he just goes, half your eyebrows gone. And I was like, yeah. And he was like, is that normal? And I'm like, yeah. For like, usually like 2 weeks. So now that like most of my eyebrow is gone, I am really quite curious, especially because like the way my eyebrows grow in so quickly, I don't actually need them. There's like a lot of shadow going on, so it's not like I need them to emote. Yeah, I look very cute today. You take me on the mom. Ooh. Let's see if I can access it quickly. Yeet. And there's the second one. That looks so good today. I'm serving buzz. Okay. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_Blush_. You can follow my media channel, McLena, and you, I'm more active on TikTok, yeah. Who does that? Who have I been watching a lot that does that? Winter does that. Winter Vanity on TikTok. Yeah, you can follow me on those places. I don't know. I'm gonna put here. Something's gonna go there, and something else is gonna go here. And I think actually they're like stacked on top of each other, and then you can subscribe generally where my face is. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.